This is an exercise to open up the facets on the left side of your lower back. So you would do this if you had back pain and it's aching when you're standing. It doesn't ache when you bend forward, but it gets worse when you go backwards like this. So if you lean backwards and you feel a pinch in the lower back, that's what we need to work on. Okay, so come up onto the chair there. Put your left leg up on the chair. So left leg goes on the chair. Now on her lower back, the facets are joints and they're like this. Okay, and if she leans backwards, the two joints go into each other and they hurt. But if she leans forwards, then it gaps them. So here she's taking her pelvis with her left leg and she's gapped it slightly. Then she's going to take her right hand and reach to the pole in front of her. So this would be a wall in your case. And what that does is it opens up the facet like this. Then she's going to take her left hand up over her head and lean to the right. And that's the last movement, which opens up the facet like this. So what happens is that lower back is now more open. And you will probably find that you can move in this movement here, going left and right, without any pain. And what that's going to do is pump out any inflammation or irritants that are in the facet joints. Now, if that one doesn't feel great for you, you can actually put the wall here where I am instead of in front, and then you can move this hand into rotation. And that just opens up the facets a little bit more. Okay, good. You can come down. So when I do this, I like people to do this about 20 to 30 times in each movement if you can, or in the movement that doesn't hurt. And you repeat every half hour or every hour during the day to keep the back pain under control, to keep the inflammation under control, and get you back functioning faster than you would if you didn't do this.